All right, WMC, sorry for the delay here. This is the video to find the winner of my winner's choice between the MVP canvas or the Aaron Rodgers game used. So we'll check the time, January 3rd at 9:01 a.m. Going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got January 3rd at 9:01 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 11 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John. Spot 9 is your winner. So, John, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, January 3rd, 9:02 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.